Welcome back. In this video, I will explain the concept of weighted k-nearest algorithm with the help of simple solved example, and we will classify new example into one of the class. This is a solved example 9 and previous videos links are given in the description below. This is a given data. In this we have three attributes. One is a CGPA, second one is a assessment, third one is a project, and the result is a target class. In this we have two classes, one is a pass and one more is a fail. And we have a new students record where student have a CGPA as a 7.6, assessment as a 60 and a project as 8. We need to classify whether this student is pass or fail by using weighted k nearest neighbor algorithm. And we will assign k is equal to 3. In the first step of weighted k nearest algorithm, we need to calculate the distance from each instances. That is, first calculate the distance between the test instance and training instances. These all are the training instances and the new student's data is a test instance. If we have three coordinates like x, y and z, so the distance will be square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square plus z2 minus z1 bracket square. So first we will calculate the distance from instance 1. In this, the new student data will become x1, y1 and z1 and the training instances data will be x2, y2 and z2. So the Euclidean distance between the training instant and test instance will be square root of 9.2 minus 7.6 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, that is 85 minus 60 bracket square plus z2 minus z1, that is 8 minus 8 bracket square. So once you simplify this one, we will get a d1 is equal to 25.05. Next, we will calculate the distance from second instance. In this, these values will become x2, y2 and z2. So the distance will be square root of 8 minus 7.6 bracket square plus 80 minus 60 bracket square plus 7 minus 8 bracket square. So once you simplify this one, we will get a d2 is equal to 20.03. So that is what I have written here. Next, we will calculate the distance from third instance, which is equal to 8.5 minus 7.6 bracket square plus 81 minus 60 bracket square plus 8 minus 8 bracket square, which is equal to 21.02. So next we will calculate the distance from fourth instance, that is 6 minus 7.6 bracket square plus 45 minus 60 bracket square plus 5 minus 8 bracket square, which is equal to 15.38. That is what I have written here. Similarly, we need to calculate the remaining distances. In that case, distance from the fifth instance will be 10.83, distance from sixth instance will be 12.06, and the distance from 7th instance will be 22.28 and distance from 8th instance will be 31.04. That is what I have written here. Once you find the distances, then we need to arrange all the distances in a ascending order. Once you arrange the distances in a ascending order, we already know that k is equal to 3. It means that we need to select the three nearest neighbors. Those are 10.83, 12.06 and 15.38. That is what I have written here. After that, we need to compute the weights. To compute the weights, we need to use the following formula, that is W is equal to 1 divided by D. For the first data, W is equal to 1 divided by 10.83, which is equal to 0.0923. And for the second one, 1 divided by 12.06, which is equal to 0.0829. And for third one, 1 divided by 15.38, which is equal to 0.0650. Once you find the weights, next we need to compute total weights. Here we can see that in the result we have two fails. So for the fail class, weight will be the sum of these two weights, that is 0.0923 plus 0.0650. Once you add these two values, the weight of class fail is 0.1573. And here we have only one pass class. So the pass class weight will be 0.0829. Now we need to compare these two weights. In this, the weight of fail is greater than the weight of pass class, so that the new student is belong to fail class. So this is how we can classify the new example into one of the class by using the weighted k nearest neighbor algorithm. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.